case, and now I've degreased it twice. You know, it's actually pretty clean. So right now I am going to shoot it with some paint and seal this baby in. I'll do it one last degrease by hand, and then we'll just start painting it. Check that out, no drips. That's what I'm talking about. That's what it sounds like. This is how it looks. Thing looks brand new. Like it's still hot. Alright, the seal caught a lip and got messed up, so $15. Underside, this doesn't look that bad, but feeling this top piece, it's actually got a pretty severe lip. So when that yoke was smashing into the side of the case, it mushroomed this edge out. So I got to seal this up and grind it out. So the new seal that's on its way will fit. Got a rebuild kit here for the rear diff, as well as a new center pin, because those side yokes wore the old ones out. So in here we've got new crush collar, pinion bearings, seals for the pinion. Looks like it came with two different pinion seals. Carrier bearings, that's what you see here. These are pinion bearings right here. So we'll get these races installed and try to set this pinion up. Here's a new posi unit. It's an Eaton limited slip differential. Clutch is already installed. And he probably already has the center pin in it. Yes, he does. Take a hardened pin. So here is the new carrier. So we're going to have to install the bearings on there. And then we will install the bearings in the case and we can mock everything up. Alright you guys, well that's pretty much going to sum it up for today. I got the diff sitting over there ready to be rebuilt, so we will get back to it and then we're going to eventually start on this front suspension. So we got some tube A-arms and all kinds of stuff from Van Steel. Something about that Van Steel, some good steel they put in those vans. Right here we've got the pinion depth from the halves of the carrier bearings, so we'll set that thing up just the way it was, same shim, so we'll have to play around with that. But yeah, stay tuned and we'll get back on this, and don't forget to like the video if you do, and subscribe because we'll be doing some more on this baby. Alright, thanks for watching.